We're taking a closer look at two of the most important building blocks of life on Earth: animal cells and plant cells. Even though they look different, they actually share many similarities and a few key differences that make plants and animals unique. Every living organism, whether it's a dog, a sunflower, or you, is made up of cells. Cells are the basic units of life. Plant and animal cells are eukaryotic, meaning they have a nucleus and complex organelles. Let's start with what they have in common. Both plant and animal cells contain a nucleus, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, ribosomes, cytoplasm, and a cell membrane. These organelles work together to keep the cell alive, healthy, and functioning. The nucleus is like the cell's brain. It contains DNA, which is the instructions for making everything the cell needs. Messenger RNA carries these instructions out of the nucleus, guiding the production of proteins. Next, the mitochondria. You might have heard them called the powerhouse of the cell. They break down sugar molecules to release energy in the form of ATP, energy the cell can actually use. Now here's where things get interesting. Plant cells have some special structures that animal cells don't. These include chloroplasts, a large central vacuole, and a rigid cell wall. Chloroplasts capture sunlight and use it to make food through photosynthesis. They contain chlorophyll, the green pigment that gives plants their color and absorbs light energy. With sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water, the plant creates glucose and releases oxygen. The central vacuole in a plant cell is huge compared to anything in animal cells. It stores water, nutrients, and waste. It also helps the cell stay firm by maintaining turgor pressure, which keeps stems and leaves upright. Unlike animal cells, plant cells have a cell wall made of cellulose. It gives the cell its shape and strength, helping plants stand tall and resist pressure. Like plant cells, animal cells also have a few unique features. They contain lysosomes, which break down waste, and centrioles, which help organize cell division. Lysosomes are like the cell's recycling center. They contain powerful enzymes that break down old cell parts or unwanted materials so they can be reused or removed. Centrioles, found only in animal cells, play a key role when a cell divides. They help organize the spindle fibers that pull chromosomes apart during mitosis. Now, let's compare everything at a glance. Organelles shared by both plant and animal cells include a nucleus, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, ribosomes, cytoplasm, and the cell membrane. Chloroplasts, a large central vacuole, and the cell wall are only found in plant cells. Two organelles found only in animal cells are lysosomes and centrioles. These differences of organelles found in plant cells and animal cells match how plants and animals live. Plant cells can make their own food with sunlight and stay rigid to build stems and leaves. Animal cells are more flexible and rely on eating other organisms for energy. By looking inside cells, we can see both unity and diversity in life. All living things are built from the same basic parts, just arranged and specialized in different ways. And that's what makes the study of cells so fascinating.